United Aircraft Corporation has unveiled the Il-114-300 turboprop in the group's corporate livery, which is already used on jets such as the MC-21, SJ-100, and Tu-214. The test aircraft received its new livery in Ulanovska after flying from Luhovitsi, near Moscow. To Russify its aircraft, UAC applied national paints to the Il-114-300, a 68-passenger tube prop similar to the ATR-72. According to the parent company of Russia's leading aircraft manufacturers, Ilyushin is currently conducting a factory flight test program and preparing to launch certification flights. The testing program is rigorous. The aircraft has already completed over 30 flights, some of which were longer than 7 hours. The tests confirm the accuracy of the calculations, and the aircraft exhibits excellent flight characteristics, said Daniil Brennerman, Managing Director of Il-114-300. The Russian plan is to offer the Il-114-300 as a replacement for Antonov's aging fleet of An-24 turboprops, which is now owned by Ukrainian company. The turboprop is an upgraded version of the Il-114 that can operate in harsh environments. Like other Russian projects, the turboprop's foreign components were replaced with domestic equivalents. The Il-114-300 airliner is a new regional passenger turboprop aircraft in development. It is an upgraded version of the Il-114 turboprop that can transport up to 68 passengers over a distance of 1,400 kilometers. The aircraft was designed by the Ilyushin Development Design Office. It is being developed by Ilyushin Aviation Complex in collaboration with Rostec Aviation Enterprises, led by United Aircraft Corporation. The Il-114-300 is a completely indigenous aircraft, with production taking place at the original equipment manufacturers' Luhovitsi and Nizhny Novgorod sites. In December 2020, the aircraft made its maiden flight at Russia's Zhukovsky airfield. The aircraft will receive certification in 2022, and batch production will begin in 2023, with a production rate of 12 aircraft per year. The Il-114-300 is a modern domestic aircraft that can carry 68 passengers and a maximum payload of 6.5 t. The Luhovitsky aviation plant used serial production technologies to develop the prototype aircraft. Its dimensions are 26.87 meters in length, 9.32 meters in height, 30 meters in wingspan, 81.9 meters in wing area, and 2.86 meters in fuselage diameter. The aircraft will have high fuel efficiency due to the use of cutting-edge technology to maintain the aircraft's aerodynamics and weight efficiency. It can also be modified to provide patrol and ambulance services, with ski and wheel landing gear for operations in the Far East, North, and Siberia. The aircraft has a number of modernized systems and equipment, including an integrated navigation system, automatic pressure control system, wing flaps control system, fuel control and indication system, wheel braking system, and aircraft anti-icing control system. The flight crew will consist of a pilot in command and a co-pilot. The aircraft will be outfitted with a digital flight navigation suite to ensure takeoff and landing in all weather conditions in accordance with the International Civil Aviation Organization's ICAO Category 2 standard. Flight navigation details and information on aircraft system performance will be displayed on 5-color LCD displays. The modern passenger cabin will ensure a comfortable flight across the entire altitude range. The onboard systems have the necessary level of redundancy and use well-proven materials. The aircraft will be equipped with 2 advanced digital avionics and the Russian turboprop engine TV7-117 ST01, ensuring increased flight range compared to the Il-114. Each engine generates a maximum takeoff power of 2,900 horsepower. Its maintenance-friendly features ensure dependability even in difficult operating conditions. The regional passenger aircraft can fly on short runways, unpaved runways, and Arctic ice runways, as well as from airfields with limited technical equipment. The aircraft has integral passenger air stairs and allows access to all structural elements and units that must be inspected by the maintenance program. It uses a condition-based operation system without overhauls to maintain necessary airworthiness with minimal operational costs within 30,000 flights and a service life of 30 years or 30,000 flight hours. The Il-114-300 aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 23.5 tons and a fuel tank capacity of 8,780 liters. The aircraft has a cruising speed of up to 500 km per hour and can reach altitudes of up to 7,600 meters. It requires a 1,600-meter takeoff and 550-meter landing.